Hey everyone, welcome to the Bigvu orientation. Today, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know to use Bigvu. How to write the script, record the video with the teleprompter, do all the edits that you need with logo, captions, replace the background, and also how to share this video with your audience. This is a orientation for teams, so I'm also going to show you how to work as a team using Bigvu, okay? But first, let me know in the chat if you are a new user, old user, have used Bigvu before, it's your first time. If you can please leave in the chat, this would be great. This session is being recorded, so if you have any questions, you'll be able to go back and watch this video again if you want. And also, you're going to receive the recording in your email, okay? So don't worry about taking a lot of notes now, but you'll be able to learn how to do everything today in around 30-40 minutes. I'm going to show everything that you need. I'll start sharing my screen, and if you have a specific question, you can either raise your hand here on Zoom and I'll allow you to ask a question, to turn on your microphone and ask a question, or you can leave the question in the chat. Both ways works. Okay, that's good, that's good. So thank you. So first time was, have used basics, Willie, Jason also have used, Bia also have been using. That's good. Let me start sharing my screen. And for all of you, every time that you open Bigvu on the web version, this is what you're going to see. This is the main screen. And if you're working with a team, we're going to start calling this workspace. This that you're seeing now, it's one workspace that I can work with my team. As you can see it, I have only one project right here, video creation, right? I only have this project in this specific workspace. So let's do first, step by step, the video creation process, and then I will show you how to do this and how work in a team using all these features. The first step is to create the script. So to start creating a script, you just need to click at the top on new script and will pop up this option. Working in a team, I could write the script and any of you could record this video if we are working in the same workspace. So Jason, Willie, any of you could record this video from this script that we're going to create together. I have two options. I can type the script myself if I want. So my name is Bruno. Oops. Or I can use AI to help me create this script. To do this, I just need to click on AI rewrite here on the left and choose one of the services that we have. If you want to talk about your business, you can use the first one, pick my business, rewrite something that you already have, video sales letter, or news to share. This is going to use most of the time if you want to share anything new with your audience, a new book, new video, new blog, new podcast, new anything, you can use this service to create a script for you. For example, a new captions theme that will help you sell more products online. I can also choose the tone. Do I want to be persuasive, neutral, friendly, professional? Let's try to be persuasive now. I'll just click on write new. In a few seconds, I will have this script ready to be recorded using the teleprompter, okay? So now we are creating the script using AI. I will always receive three options. So this is option one. Hey there, it's Bruno. Today I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Okay, looks like a script that I would use. And it's so much faster to start creating, to improve, to fine-tune a script when you already have one, then start from the scratch. So this is the first option. What if I'm not talking about new caption theme? I could add a few words, for example, cost of living in London. I don't know. But let's see it. Instead of persuasive, let's try to be friendly. So I want to record a video talking about the cost of living in London. I'll click on write new. In a few seconds, I will have, again, a different result. Okay. 3 results. Let's take a look on the first one. Aha. Cost of living. Now we all know that living in the bustling city like London can be quite expensive. Okay, as you can see it, if I'm a real estate in London, I could do this. I could try New York, Texas, Houston. I could try any other city, state, and this would work. So you guys can play around, see how it works. And we basically have our script ready to go to the teleprompter. That is step 2. But before doing this, I also need to add a title. So this could be captions theme, Bigvu. As soon as I click on save, at the top, this script that we have created now will also appear on my phone. So now I would be able to record my video using this phone. And for those of you now here thinking about how your team could use this, I am creating the script. You, Bea Baylor, Willie, Jason, Kevin, any of you could grab your phone under the same workspace and record your video using this script that I have created, okay? How to do this? I could just click on send the script and choose one of you. If you are a team member, if you are in my organization, it would appear right here in this list. I choose Kevin, and then I choose apply, and that's it. As soon as Kevin opens the app, the Bigvu app, you'll be able to see the same script there. He'll be able to record the video using this script that I have created. What do you think? Makes sense? It's clear? Because if you have any question about scripting, creating scripts, that's the time. When I move to the recording topic, you'll be able to ask me questions about recording and then styling, editing the video, and then sharing. But so far, only scripting. So far, so good. I don't see any questions. I can see that the duration will be around 1 minute and 20 seconds. While you're thinking about the question, let me fine-tune this script. I will start with today. Okay, that's look good. I'll click on save, and we can move forward to step 2. How to record the video using this script. You have 2 options, as I said. You can use your phone or the web version. Let me show you on the web how it's going to be. I just need to click on read and record at the top, and we will open the teleprompter. This is the teleprompter on the web. As you can see it, I have my script, and I can choose the camera and microphone, clicking on set camera and mic. This is the camera that I'm using. The microphone, let me change. Okay, I'll click on done. Now that I have a microphone and camera, I have also 3 icons at the bottom that I can play with them. The first one is the scroll position. This I'm going to use when I don't want to record from the beginning of my script. I could move to the middle of my script and start recording right here if I want. So I don't have to always start recording from the beginning if I don't want to. Usually, if I want to record a short video, stop and record another one where I stopped. I could do it using this feature, the scroll position. But most of the users will start using from the beginning recording of the script, okay? The next 2 icons are important. So guys, please pay attention now. The font size and the speed will help you to sound and look natural on your video. And now a few things that you must do to have a great result using the teleprompter. So please look at me. First, the camera angle, right? Try to not be too low on camera like this or like too up, and try to have an eye contact with your camera, right? So at least this angle that I have right now would put a little bit further, a little bit up the camera. I think I can do it. Let me see it. So we'll look better on our video. Give me 1 second just for this video. Wait, something is not correct. Let me move one more. Okay, now looks better. So with this angle, looking more to the camera, other thing that you should do it, keep at least 1 arm distant from the camera. So do not be that close to the camera. And how to avoid the eyes moving. Renato, this is for you. How to avoid the eyes moving. What do you have to do? First, keep at least 1 arm distant from the camera. And the second thing, take a look what I'm going to do now. Let me share my entire screen with you. If you're recording on the web version, instead of using full screen as I have here, you need to reduce the size of the window. So my camera is right here at the top. I'm reducing the size of my window now. It's not that big anymore. I can reduce the caption size, the speed. Let me see. Looks good. So again, the recommendation, reduce the size of the window as I did here. Now, when I'm reading the teleprompter, my eyes are not moving the whole screen. It's just here in the middle. And my camera is right here at the top. So this will help you to have a good eye contact with your audience. I'm going to record this video. You guys will see it that my eyes will not be moving in the screen. So this is what you should do. Reduce the size of the screen. Make sense so far? Any questions about the recording process before I record this video with you guys today? Okay, let me go back there. I don't see any other question. Let's see what else. Yes, Shannon, I'm going to send the recording of this session to all of you. You're going to be able to watch this again. I'm going to receive in your email. Okay, pretty good. I don't see any other question. Let's record. Let's save your time because after this, we're going to start editing this video. Pretty good. So I'll click the record icon and it's show time. Today, I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. I got a game-changing solution for you. Introducing our new captions theme that is specifically designed to help you sell more products online. With this cutting-edge feature, you can showcase your products in a captivating way, grabbing the attention of potential customers and enticing them to make a purchase. Okay, that's enough. As soon as you finish recording, you're going to pop up this screen and let's take a look. Let's see if my eyes are moving or not. So let's see the result. Today, I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. I got a game-changing solution for you. That's it. So this is the thing that should do it. Keep at least 1 arm distant from the camera. Reduce the teleprompter size of the window, and then your eyes will not be moving in the screen, okay? As soon as you stop recording, finish recording, just click on upload to projects, the first option at the top. When you do this, the video will start being uploaded to the cloud. It means this take will also appear on my phone. I'll be able to see the same video on my phone. And again, if you're working as a team, now someone has created the script. I have recorded Renato that was here. He's here in the call. He could start editing this video, do all the editings because we're working as a team. All of us, we are in the same workspace. So we can work together. We can collaborate in different projects. So what do we have here? We have 2 versions of the same video. I have the local video and I have the cloud version of the same video. So I don't need the local anymore. The local is only available in this specific computer. So I could delete The cloud version is available in all the devices. So please, after you record your video, please click on upload to project to make sure that this video will be saved on the Bigvu cloud. Okay, you can upload as many videos as you want. And now let's start step 3, editing this video. We have created a script, we have recorded. This will take me, I don't know, 15 minutes, maybe more, just to create the script and have one good take. Let's start editing and see what we can do it with Bigvu. But before this, let me just go back so you guys can see. Remember that we had a project in this workspace called video creation. Now we have a new one that we have created, caption theme. We have one video inside. If I click on script at the top, I can see the script again. If I click on this arrow, I can go back and see the video. Okay, we have the trash icon, but we also have 3 dots right here. Can you guys see it? When I click on these 3 dots, it pop up all these options. So these are basically a few things that you can do it with Bigvu. You can replace the background of your video. To replace the background of your video, you need to do one thing first. You need to record your video with a green screen behind you, a physical green screen behind you. As you can see, my background is not green, so I cannot replace this white background with any other thing. I cannot replace it. I need a physical green screen behind me to be able to replace the background later, okay? So step 1, you record the video with the green screen behind you. Step 2, you click on the 3 dots, you choose replace background. You can either upload your own assets or use something from the Bigvu library. These are all the assets on the Bigvu library that you could use to replace the background if you have recorded with a green screen. Okay, this is important. Pretty good. What else you can do it? Let's click again on 3 dots. We have seen replace background. I can trim my video. So let's try to trim video. I can trim the beginning of my video. If I made a mistake, I want to remove something out there. Or the end of my video, if I made a mistake, something's not correct, I just need to move this bar. And when it's the way that I want, I just click on save. If I click on save, a new take will be generated. So the original take remains, and this trimmed version will be a new take. If I'm trimming the beginning or the end of my video, it's easier. I just need to move this bar further and have this. But what if you, Jason, you, Renato, you, Kevin, made a mistake in the middle of the video? How would you trim the middle of the video? Because here, I cannot kind of remove the middle. How are you going to do it? Look no further. You basically need 2 steps for this. If you made a mistake in the middle of the video, first you have to create 2 pieces. One piece of the video before the mistake, and the second piece after the mistake. How? What I'm talking about. So if the mistake was right here in the middle, I'm going to create the first piece as I'm doing now, producing. And instead of clicking in save, I would choose add to sequence. And what I'm doing, if you're lost, let me start again. What I'm doing, I'm trimming the middle of the video now. How to do it? You need one extra step. Instead of clicking on save, I'll click on add to sequence. And the video appears right here on the right side. Remember that I mentioned 2 pieces? This is the first piece before the mistake. So I click on the 3 dots again, trim video. What we have done, we already have the first piece, right? So now I need the second piece after the mistake. So to use the second part, the mistake is in the middle, so this is the second part. Again, I'll click on add to sequence. And now I have both of them right here on the right side, piece 1 and piece 2, without the mistake in the middle. I just need to click on create video. You'll be able to create here in a moment, in a few seconds, to generate a new take without that mistake in the middle. Make sense? You'll be able to watch the recording of this. I'm just trying to explain in an easy way, but I know that it's not that intuitive right now, to be honest. but it's possible. You can trim the middle of the video if you want, doing this that I show you. You create 2 pieces without the mistake, and then you create the video right here using the Bigvu sequencer. Okay, this was trimming, all the trimming features that you can use with Bigvu. If we go back there, I click on the 3 dots. I know we have a lot of features, so this will be a little bit fast, but we have a lot of things that you can do it. You can boost audio of the video, so it will reduce the background noise. Let's suppose you are on the streets recording the video. There are a lot of noise, background noise. You can use this feature to boost your voice and reduce the background noise, okay? So boost audio. And one more thing before we get into Video Maker. Video Maker is the Bigvu editor with a lot of things that you can do it. But before this, we can generate captions for this video in multiple languages, or just English if you want. How to do this? And maybe why would you do that? Why would you add captions to your video? What do you think? Around 80, not 8, not 18, 80% of the users watch video on social channel with the audio off. So if you, Renato, Jason, Kevin, if you have recorded a video, you spent, I don't know, 30 minutes editing, if your video has no captions, probably users will just scroll to the next one, because we don't know if you're talking about real estate, editing videos, Brazil, traveling, Europe, we don't know. So please add automatic captions to your videos to engage and retain more users. How to do this? You just need to click on generate transcription. You choose the language that you're speaking, English, but could be any other language, Arabic, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, French, Dutch, Russian, any language. I'll choose English. Here, if I activate this feature, the Bigvu AI will highlight important words from your speech. When you want to emphasize something, the AI will analyze everything and will highlight these keywords for you. You don't have to do anything besides activating this feature. Okay, so let me create subtitles. In a few seconds, my video will have captions, and I'll be able to add it to burn the captions on my video. Let's see what you guys have in mind in the meantime. Haha, that's it, Jason. In this example that I have shown you, to create the video, the merge, the combination of those 2 pieces, you need to click on create video at the top, right? At the top right here. And you can merge more than 2. You can add 20 takes to a sequence, 30, 40, 50, as many takes as you want. So a Bigvu sequence, you can add 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 videos if you want. Haha. Right now we're going to take a look. When I'm speaking Portuguese, I'm from Brazil, by the way. I'm native from Brazil. So when I'm speaking Portuguese, most of the time I record 30 minutes videos, and it's 99.9% accurate. So in Portuguese, when I'm speaking Portuguese, it's almost perfect. I have comma, dots, everything will be there. And I'm speaking English, for me, I'm not native, so I have an accent around 98, 97%. So it depends on the language that you're speaking, and it depends if you're native or not. But most of the time, if you're speaking your native language, should be almost 100%, because nothing is 100%, but should be 99.9% accurate. Okay, looks like we have English captions here. So when I click on the 3 dots again, what we have done? We have clicked on generate captions. So that's why now I don't have that option anymore. Now I can download the SRT file. This file I can upload either on YouTube if I want, or on Facebook if I want. I don't have to. If you don't know what to do with this file, you don't need to download the file. But this file, for example, if you're Brazilian, if you're American, but your audience is in a different country. Let's suppose you teach Japanese or you teach English, but you want to show this to the whole world, you can translate the captions to Spanish, Portuguese, French, Dutch, and download the SRT file of each of these languages and upload when you post this video to YouTube. Maybe this sounds like crazy to you, but when someone from Brazil watches this video appear with Portuguese captions at the bottom. When someone from France watches this video, we see French captions at the bottom. So the goal here is to create global videos with captions in different languages. I can, on this screen, download the SRT file in English, or if I click at the bottom, translate into other languages, I could translate these captions from English to Spanish, French, Dutch, Russian. I think this is, okay, this is not Russian. This is from Poland. I'm not sure. So let's not use this one. I could use any other language that I want that is available here. I just need to click on create subtitles. And in a few seconds, I'll have captions ready in English, Spanish, French, Dutch, any language that I want. As you can see it, I have multiple languages now. Before I answer your questions, when I click on these three dots, it pop up all these options, right? I mentioned that you can download the SRT file. You can also translate subtitles as I did. But most of the time, you're going to also open the video with Video Maker. Video Maker is the Bigvu editor. When I click on Open with Video Maker, it asks me if I want to open in English, Spanish, French, Dutch. What is the language that I want to add captions to this video? At this moment, you need to pick one. You have to choose one of the languages that are available that you have translated, or the original language that were spoken in the video. So I could use English, Spanish, French. Let's use English here. I'll click on Open, and this is Bigvu Video Maker from inside. Let's see. Aha. Renato, you can edit. The translation of the captions will look like this. If I have chosen Spanish or French or Portuguese, I can edit the captions right here using the segment. Let's see how our video is right now. Just opening the Video Maker, by default, you're going to see that a few things are happening. I have captions by default, and I also have a lower third that will appear on the screen right now by default. So let's take a look. Today, I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. I got a game-changing solution for you. Okay, as you can see it, producing our new captions theme that is specifically designed to help you sell more. The captions are perfect, even not being a native. In Portuguese, is not even better, because here so far is 100% correct, but sometimes a few words in English, usually when you have th in English, the pronunciation is a little bit harder. You can have to edit something if you're not native in English. Okay, but what you should understand here from Video Maker, what do we have here? We have segments on the right side. Each of these captions here, we have captions segments. Any of these segments could be using a different layout. So we have the lower third layout. Captions is also a layout. So if in the first segment, I don't want to show this lower third, today or I want to add it. Instead of captions Bigvu, I want to show anything. I can add it right here. I can also add a subtitle, the title and subtitle. And if I don't want to, I can just click on captions and we'll go back to captions. So today we don't have these two at the beginning. Okay, so this is the first mistake. Today. Some exciting news. And can you see it, the highlighted words? This was made by AI. I didn't highlight anything. The AI understood that this was important and highlighted, right? So I was saying that we have different segments and we have different layouts. So each segment could be using a different layout. And the goal is to make your video dynamic. So guys, we're starting the editing process in VideoMaker now. So please give me 6 minutes. 6, not 5, not 7. Give me 6 minutes. Hold your questions now. I'm going to show you everything that you can do it with the Bigvu editor. And then you can ask me anything. What do you think? This will also save your time because I will show you everything and maybe also answer your question before you ask. Let's see. So in 6 minutes, I'm going to show you everything. As I said, we have different segments and different layouts. Let me start changing the layout so you can see it. Instead of captions, here I could use split. It's a different layout. In the next segment, we could go back to captions. Your sales. In the next one, wow, look, instead of captions, I could use highlight. Would look like this. And in the next one, instead of captions, I could use quote and would look like this. Before I play the video, let me also add my logo. I'll click on add logo. I can click on the plus icon to upload from my computer or choose one that is already uploaded. I have uploaded this before, so it's already here. I'll choose the Bigvu logo. I'll click on visible and I'll apply to all the scenes. I can make it bigger as well. So let's see the result of this video now, just using a few layouts in different segments. Let's see the result. Today, I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. I got a game-changing solution for you. Introducing, okay, it's a little bit more dynamic. Today, this caption theme that you're seeing now, this color, this highlight color, this is from a specific video theme. Okay, now you're thinking, okay, you have segments, you have layouts, video theme, what is this? Okay, let me repeat. Segments on the right side with the captions. We have different layouts, and we also have the video theme. If you click on style at the top left, we have the video theme that you can use. Now I'm using gradient, but if I change this to stroke slide, suddenly it will look like this. So it's a different video theme. I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. I got a game-changing. This, guys, in seconds, you're changing the style, the video theme. And maybe now you're wondering, okay, it's great, looks great, but can I create my own video theme with my own font, my own brand colors? You can, but not now. This feature was hidden. We have hidden this feature temporarily because we're improving. We have released these new caption themes that we're seeing now. And with this, we had to hide this branding feature to add your own font, your own brand colors, choose the highlight background of the captions. All of this was available in Bigvu. It should go back. It should be released again in a few weeks. So you can, but not now. It's not a new feature. We're just improving the feature that we used to have. Okay, pretty good. So right now, what you can do is to choose one of the video themes available from Bigvu. We have boxes dark, will look like this. Strokes purple, will look like this. Boxes light, like this. Frames will look like this. We have different templates, different video themes that you can use. Okay, let me, I think strokes purple, this one looks good. Strokes light. Few things. Other things that you should have in mind. A horizontal video like this one would be perfect for YouTube, but it's not a good video, for example, for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. This video would be great on YouTube and very bad on Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. I can change the aspect ratio of this video. I just need to click Style on the left and choose a different aspect ratio. So instead of horizontal, I could use square and choose to crop. And suddenly my video, instead of horizontal, would look like this, be squared. Now I have a square video. That's it. What do you think? How much time will it take you to create a video like this? You creating the script, recording without teleprompter, writing the captions, and then doing all the editing to look like this. Today, I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. I got a game-changing solution. Looks like this thing is still loading for you. So in a moment, you guys will be able to see your sales and attract more customers. Well, look, in a moment, I'll show you again, and you'll see that it will load. In the meantime, let me show you one more thing. Here, I'm talking about getting more users, more leads, boosting sales. So I can also overlay pictures and videos if I want. How to do this? Can you guys see Pixabay in the left? There, I can search using keywords. So I click on Pixabay and I choose, for example, sales. I find one picture that is interesting. Let me see. Okay, could be any of these pictures, but okay, let's suppose that this one looks good. I just need to drag and drop this picture in the specific segment. And now, instead of me being there, it will appear this picture and it will look like this. Let's take a look. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. Let me add one more. Here we're talking about a solution. So let me go to Pixabay, sales again. Let me find a different picture that is also interesting. Or I need to use the keywords to search. So maybe increase. Okay, I have better pictures now. I use this picture, drag and drop. And let's see the result of the video now with 2 overlays. Today, I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. I got a game-changing solution for you. This one that is appearing weird. Let me go back to back captions and then split. Okay, it's better. So what do we have here? We have overlays that you can do it, searching for keywords on Pixabay. If you have your own assets, you can upload right here on uploads. You can click upload your own asset and do the same. Just drag and drop in this specific segment. And instead of you appearing in the video, it will appear this specific picture. It could also be a video, okay? So the first part of the video is ready. And the second part of the video, we don't have anything, just captions by default, but I want also to make dynamic. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to start playing with the zoom effect. You probably have seen on TikTok, on Reels, zoom in, zoom out all the time on those videos. So let's play around here and start adding zoom right here. Let me choose 130 first, then go back to normal. Here I'll add 120. Then go back to normal. And here 130 again, and go back to normal. Let's see the dynamic of the zoom in, zoom out effect all the time. So, and let's see from the beginning so you can see the result the last time that I'm going to show you with overlays, captions, logo, different aspect ratio. I have zoom in, zoom out all the time. Let's take a look how it looks now. Today, I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. I got a game-changing solution for you. Introducing our new captions theme that is specifically designed to help you sell more products online. With this cutting-edge feature, you can showcase your products in a captivating way, grabbing the attention of potential customers and enticing them to make a purchase. Okay, that's it. So we have the zoom in, zoom out all the time. And the goal with all these features I have shown you is to engage the audience. The user will start watching the video and they will be there watching the video until the end. That's what we want, to engage the audience. That's why we want to make this video very dynamic. a lot of things happening. We have captions, zoom in, zoom out, overlays. If you go to any YouTube channel, any social post now with a lot of views, you're going to see this happening all the time. The last thing that you can do it, if you click on style, we have seen aspect ratio. You can add intro and outro to your video if you want. We have seen video theme. You can also add a music background to add an emotional touch. So I could use curiosity if I want. And the recommendation here is to add 5% of music and 95% of voice. So the presenter will be 95%. Sounds good? As soon as the video is the way that I want, I just click on create at the top and I'll see the result in a few seconds. So what do you think, guys? So far, what we have done? Scripting, recording, editing. I could have edited that video with Portuguese captions, Spanish captions, French captions, all of that right away using the web version. Anytime I have added music, it hasn't been incorporated into videos. Can you shine some light on what might gone wrong? Sure, Jason, I'm not pretty sure, but I have a guess. If you're, let me go back to Video Maker, Jason, so you can confirm. Let me open the video now with different captions. Do you guys speak Spanish? Let's open with Spanish captions. Probably most of you have studied Spanish in the past. Let me open with Spanish captions now so you guys can see it. Translated version of the same video. So if you speak Spanish, this is for you. Today, I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. I got a game-changing solution for you. Introducing our new captions theme that is specifically designed to help you sell more products online. With this cutting-edge feature, you can showcase your products in a captivating way, grabbing the attention of potential customers and enticing them to make a purchase. Okay, if you speak Spanish, this was for you. Let us know if this was good or not. Jason, regarding your question about the music, if I go to style and I choose a specific music, you have to change this. If you keep at 100%, here it's voice, your voice, the presenter. So you need to reduce this to at least 95, 94%. And now we have 6% of the music and 94% of the presenter. So if you don't move this bar, the video will have no music background, okay? So this was probably what happened, right? If you can confirm if you are sure that you have moved this bar, we can also investigate what could be the cause of the issue. But let's see in this video that's just generated if we do have a music background. This is the result of the video. It is processed. Today, I got some exciting news for all you online sellers out there. Are you looking for a way to boost your sales and attract more customers? Well, look no further. I got a game-changing solution for you. Introduce. When the video is ready, it's missing basically the last step. We're going to share that video to our social channels. But before this, again, if you're working as a team, let me give you an overview of a few things that you can do it. Because remember that I said that this is a workspace. This we're calling workspace. If you have a team account, you can create multiple workspaces. This workspace, as you are seeing, is Bigvu demo. So I could do all the video demos here in this specific workspace. Also, if I click on add member, I could invite you, Jason, to be part of my workspace. And you could only see the videos inside this specific workspace. You would not see the content of, for example, Bigvu Financial. The financial report you would not see because you are a member of that workspace. You are not here in this specific workspace. I'm the owner of the organization, so I can create as many workspaces as I want. I could create a specific workspace for each project that I'm managing. This project here would be, I don't know, Christmas marketing, Black Friday videos, 2023. Black Friday promo, Black Friday discount. And then you record the videos. You maybe hire a freelancer and add the freelancer to your account, maybe to edit the video, to record the video, to do anything. You can remove later, add a new person. So what I'm showing you, we have different workspaces. As you can see it, I don't have those videos anymore. So now let's suppose that I am Jason. I am this Bigvu Financial. This is everything that I have. I cannot change the workspace if I'm not the owner or the admin of the organization. If I'm just a member, as I could be, this is my permission. I will only see the videos inside this specific workspace. If I go back to Bigvu demo, I can add someone else here. I could add Renato here. He would be able to create the scripts, record the videos, do the editings only in this specific workspace. You can always delete and add members whenever you want. Today, I'm going to add Renato. I can delete, remove him in 2 weeks, in 2 days, in 2 minutes, if I want. And Renato and Jason will be able to create their own accounts with their own email and passwords, their own credentials. So I'll be able to manage my team using this screen on add member. Here you can see that Kevin is the owner. I'm just the admin. That's why I can see different workspaces, but I'm not the owner of the account. Make sense? I hope it does, because it's missing the last step. How to share this video that we just did to my social channels. When I click on the 3 dots, I have a few options, but the option that we're looking for here is not download. If I click on download, it will download to my computer. I'm looking for post to social media. When I click to post social media, I can connect my Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, all the social channels that I want, and choose all of them to share my video. So instead of downloading the video to my computer, then I go to YouTube, and then I go to LinkedIn, then I go to Facebook, then I go to Instagram, then I go to TikTok, then I go to Twitter. I'm going to 10 different places to post my video. Not anymore. Just link all your social channels to Bigvu. Here I only have Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube connected, but I could add Facebook group, Facebook page, Facebook profile, Instagram business, TikTok, YouTube, different YouTube accounts, LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn page, LinkedIn group, Twitter. All of these I could connect and choose 15, 20 different social channels and share the video at the same time to all of them. I would click on next. I can write the description myself. If I'm using an iOS device, I can always use, let me just get your attention. I can also use, if I'm using my phone to post that video, AI to create the title of my video for me and the description. So AI will generate the title, description of my video based in the captions in the script. It will analyze everything, create the title of my video, the description, the hashtags, and will be able to schedule the post. I can also schedule the post if I'm using iOS, if I'm posting the video from the Bigvu app on my phone. Okay, so scripting, recording, editing, sharing, everything using one software. You don't need any more to, okay, I'm going to ChatGPT for my script. Then I go here, this app to record. Then I go there to edit the video. Then I download and I go here and there to post. Not anymore. You don't need multiple subscriptions in different apps to create videos. Now you need one app with everything that you need to generate, create professional videos quickly, easily. As you saw it, today I made this video, it's around 30-40 seconds in 50 minutes explaining to you how to do it. Without explaining, I would be able to generate this video and post maybe 6-7 minutes to script, record, edit, and post. 6 or 7 minutes. So you don't need that freelancer anymore if you don't want to. You could use the freelancer to use Bigvu to edit for you. Will also be faster. You have access to the same videos. And finishing the process on the web version. On the web, we don't have that feature available yet. To AI help you with the description, the title. Here you have to do manually. So just click on next. You can also add a thumbnail and click on publish. This video goes from Bigvu to all these social channels that are linked and you have chosen to post. Okay? Pretty good. Any questions? Okay, Jason. I see so much potential for Bigvu in my business, but videos only sporadically posted on my LinkedIn, submitted is to customer service, but they were unable to justify the issue. Any troubleshooting what made this post on LinkedIn in the future? Jason, if you're trying to post the videos to LinkedIn, and if I understood correctly, you would try to post the video on LinkedIn and didn't work, right? This is what happened. You kind of choose LinkedIn, click on publish, and didn't appear on LinkedIn. If you can please confirm. Okay, that's good. So there are a few things that I would try it. Not sure if we have recommended this to you. First, I would remove my LinkedIn from Bigvu, link again. And Jason, LinkedIn, you have to link twice. You have to do 2 times. I know it's weird, but even if it's already connected, you need to connect again because LinkedIn has 2 features on Bigvu. It's to post in the feed and to also go live. You can go live to LinkedIn. So to be able to use both, you need to do this process 2 times. So you choose LinkedIn, you connect, it's connected, and then you repeat the process. For some reason, it's 2 different APIs now. You cannot connect both at the same time. So maybe this could fix this issue that you're having. If not, you can also email me, bruno@bigvu.tv. I can take a look in this specific issue that you're having because I haven't seen any other user with the same issue. So maybe it's something with the video, I'm not sure. If you can also email me if it does not work, this that I said, I can take a look and see what could be the issue. And guys, the last part that is missing, the pricing. Probably you already have a Bigvu plan, but if you don't, today I mentioned all the plans. I talked about everything, a team account, starter plan, individual account. So if you have a free account or if you have a starter plan, let me just explain to you the difference between the plans that we have. Individual plans, we basically have starter plan and the pro plan. What is the difference between them? The starter plan, you can only record 9 minutes per video, okay? Starter plan, 9 minutes per video. The pro plan, 59 minutes per video. As many videos as you want on both. Both allows you to record using your phone and the web version. So you can use the phone and the web version on both plans, starter and pro. You can only translate the captions to a different language with the pro version. So if you're speaking English in your video and you want Portuguese captions, Spanish captions, you need the pro version. Perfect. If you want to go live to LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, you also need the pro version. You can only go live with the pro version. If you are willing, if you want to use the AI to help you create scripts, with the starter plan, you can only generate 10 AI scripts monthly. With the pro version, as many AI scripts as you want. So again, just to recap, 9 minutes starter, 59 minutes pro. Only 10 AI scripts, as many AI scripts as you want. You can go live to YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And you can also translate the captions to multiple languages with the pro version. All these features of the pro version individual are also available on the team account. The difference is that on the team account, I can create different workspaces that I have shown you, and I can invite different team members. So let me share the pricing with you guys. The starter plan, it's 99 USD, the yearly plan. This one that I have explained to you, 9 minutes. You can use only 10 AI scripts. The AI Pro individual is 159, the yearly plan. So it's around $13 per month. This is also an individual plan. You can record in 4K, up to 59 minutes, you can translate captions. And the team, AI Pro team, you have all the features, but here you can invite 10 members. You have 10 members on your organization. I could invite Jason, I could invite Renato, I could invite Kevin to my organization. And here, if I have 10 members, I'm paying around $8 per seat per month. So I would have 10 seats here using the team yearly account of Bigvu. If any of you here in this session are wondering, okay, I want to use it, but I'm not sure if it is for me, I'll say it. If you purchase a yearly plan on our website, use it for 1, 2, 3 weeks, 1 month. Use it. If you don't like it, it's not what you expected, just get in touch with support at bigvu.tv and you can process a full refund. So there is no risk at all. If you purchase on our website using this link that I put in the chat, bigvu.tv/pricing, any yearly plan, starter, pro, or team account, use it for 1, 2, 3 weeks. If you don't like it, just get in touch with support at bigvu.tv. You can process a full refund for you. No more questions. Okay, so there is no risk at all. Let's see, looks like we have one question. I recorded my videos from the phone, then uploaded to the cloud, but I noticed that the video size decreased, which means reduction in quality. How can keep the same quality? Yusuf, when you upload the video to the cloud, does not mean that the quality was decreased. For example, if you post a 4K video on YouTube, now post a video on 4K on YouTube, it would be around, I don't know, 5 gigabytes, maybe 10 gigabytes. When you download the same video from YouTube, will be less than 1 gigabyte. So there is a compression process, even when you're not losing quality. So depending on the format of the video and different variants, it can change the size of the video, keeping the same quality, right? So if you are recording a 1080 video, upload to the cloud, you're going to see that the size decreased a little bit, but the quality, it will remain, even if you are seeing a file that is not the same size as the other. Okay, if you're seeing something like this, it's 1080, and then you upload to the cloud and you're seeing a lower resolution, probably you're seeing the preview of the video. Sometimes the preview, they have less quality because it's faster to process while you're editing. But as soon as you download the video or you export the video, you should export in the maximum resolution. Does it make sense? Just the preview, for example, inside Video Maker, that preview, I'm not going to see in Full HD because just the preview while I'm editing. So it's faster if I decrease a little bit while I'm editing. But as soon as I export to my social channels or I download the video, it should download the higher resolution of that specific video. Make sense? I hope it does. If it does not, please get in touch with support at bigvu.tv. You can also take a look. If it's a specific device, specific issue that is happening, maybe with a specific video, we can check it out and try to understand what is happening. Any other question, guys? I'll give you 1 more minute if you have anything in mind. Thank you so much for being here with me today for more than 1 hour. I know that time is valuable. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I'm going to send a recording to all of you. You're going to be able to watch this session again. If you have any questions, please get in touch with Bigvu, support at bigvu.tv. We'll be happy to help you out. Okay, thank you, Jason. Thank you so much. Hope that you have a great week and a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much. Thank you, Venus. Thank you. Bye-bye.